And today is all about small talk. If you've been to any of my masterclasses, you know one of them I run is called How to Network When You Hate Small Talk. Then you'll know what my attitude is towards small talk. Small talk to them is big talk to me. Actually, somebody did say that from the world of advertising, but it's really important. So I work with global organisations, FTSE 100 firms, and the other day I was running a session for a group of mid-level professionals, people that were on their way to partner level, and one of the women in the group, she said, I don't understand this small talk. I think she was from Russia. And she said, I don't understand these English people, they keep asking me personal questions, like as if they're a spy or something. And I said, well, what do you mean? What kind of questions are people asking you? She said, well, sometimes people ask me, where do you live? I don't understand why they're asking me, where do you live? I said, well, it's small talk, you know, they're just making conversation. Because small talk is really there so you can kind of build a rapport, learn to trust each other, build a relationship. She said, but they keep asking me, I don't want to tell people where I live. And I said, why? Where do you live? She said, I live in Holborn. I went, oh, that's near the office. She went, everyone tells me that. Small talk, it's there for a reason. They're not spying on you. They don't really want to know where you live and about your personal life. They just want to build a relationship and make a connection with you. Small talk to them is big talk to you.